Hi guys! Today I thought it would be fun to grab my painting tools and head over to a really cool spot in Dubai called DIFC. I brought a bag with me to paint on, but honestly I had no idea what to draw at first. After thinking for a bit, I realized that this bag's blue color reminded me of the ocean, so I decided to paint a fish on it. Let's see how it turns out. I hope you enjoy the painting process with me, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. It really means a lot. Thanks, and stay creative.